Hi friends, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How are you doing today? If you're doing well, you can show me with a thumbs up. If you're feeling okay, you can put your thumb in the middle. But if you're not feeling very well today, you can show me with a thumbs down. Hopefully after circle time is over, you'll be feeling better. So let's get started with our good morning song. Spread your arms out like airplane wings. Fly to one side, over to the other side, fly back to the middle. Big stretch out in front. Now take that circle up over your head. Let's stretch on this side, over on the other side. One last stretch. And now let's sing together. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Good morning, friends. Welcome to Circle Time. I hope you're having a great day so far. Before we move on to the calendar and weather chart, we have 3 things to do. First, turn on your listening ears. Next, we have to put on our thinking hats. Today, my thinking hat has some buttons underneath my chin, so I'm going to button those all up. And the last thing that we need to do is warm up our hearts, like this. Boom, 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 boom. Let me grab my pointing stick and let's go over the date together. Up at the top, we have the month. Do you know what month it is? November. That's right. Today is November 18th. Let's move the chip over from yesterday. Yesterday was November 17th, and today is November 18th, and the year is 2021, but you can also say 2021. So we have quite a lot of counting to do today. Take out your counting fingers. Let's warm them up to give them a stretch. Before we count the days together, let's take a deep breath like this. Counting fingers ready. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We've had 18 days so far in the month of November. For this next song, we need to hold up 7 fingers like this. We hold up 7 fingers for each day of the week. And if you know the words, sing along with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Down at the bottom of the chart, we have the days of the week to go over together. So you can tell me what the day is after you hear the sound. This says that yesterday was Wednesday. That means that today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday, the last day of the weekday. Let's sing Today is Thursday together. It goes like this. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, today is Thursday all day long. Right back up at the top, we have the season. There are 2 ways to say this season. You can say that it's autumn, but you can also say that it's fall. They're the same season. And if we go back down, I have a picture of the weather. So let's sing the weather song together before we share. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? The rain is falling at my house today. That's why I have a picture of a cloud with raindrops falling down. That's what I see when I look outside of my window. The sky is white and gray, and there's rain falling from the clouds. But my temperature chart is on orange because it's pretty warm outside today. Warm and rainy. What do you see outside of your window today? Thanks for sharing the weather with me. Now let's move on to the letter, number, and sign of the week. This week we have been talking about this capital letter, which says X. Can you make that sound with me? X. What uppercase letter is this? X. This is an uppercase or capital X. X says X. I have a picture of something today that ends with the letter X. X. Here's your first clue. This is a type of a dinosaur. This dinosaur had very large sharp teeth, but pretty small arms. Can you think of a dinosaur that has those features that ends with the letter X? X. Let's take a look. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. So as you can see, there are sharp teeth inside of that mouth, but pretty small arms. A Tyrannosaurus Rex was a dinosaur that ate meat. Tyrannosaurus Rex ends with the letter X. X. This is how you write an uppercase. X. X. One more time. Here is the number of the week. What double-digit number is this? 25. That's right. When you write the number 25, you have to write two numbers. 2, 5. 25. Let's count to the number 25 together using the large bead frame. This is how you count to the number 25 using the large bead frame. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 2 tens, 5 units. 25. I'm going to open up the number box and see what we have inside to count today. Wow, I have all of these brown oak leaves. So as I count them, I'm just going to make a large pile on top of the box so that we can count together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and one more makes 25. 25 oak leaves. We've gone over the letter of the week and the number of the week. So let's move on to the sign of the week. Will you show me how to say brave in sign language? Like this, brave. My favorite character strength is independence. We've spent several weeks last winter dedicated to practical life skills and independence. Independence is doing something by yourself, whether that's cleaning up your toys, getting dressed, or making a snack. The more you practice these skills, the more comfortable you will become doing them yourselves, without any help from a grown-up. Can you think of anything that you did today independently? For today's work, you are going to get some practice pouring water from one container into another. For today's work, we are going to be doing some pouring, which is a great way to practice both independence as well as hand-eye coordination. So I have 3 cups right here. One of them I have full of water, and the other 2 are empty. If you'd like, you can just start off with 2 cups, one full of water and one empty. I'm going to have 3 altogether. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to take both of my hands and I'm going to hold both sides of the cup that's full of water. And I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to pour it from this cup into the green cup. As I pour, I tilt the cup a little bit more so the water comes out until it's all gone. Next, I'm going to pour the water from the green cup into the yellow cup. Let's get this out of the way. Again, I'm going to hold both sides of the cup with my hands and tilt the cup slightly and slowly. I don't want to move too much, otherwise the water can spill, which is okay. You can just use a little towel or a sponge to wipe up any spills. And this time, I'm going to pour the water from the yellow cup back into the purple cup, holding the cup with both hands on either side. And now we're back where we started. If you would like more of a challenge, you can pour the cup of water and divide it between the 2 cups. So that means pouring the water so that it fills up about halfway in this cup and halfway in the other cup, like this. So holding both sides and pouring slowly and steady, about halfway. So you don't want all of the water to go into the green cup because we want to save some for the yellow cup, like this. And there we go. Now the purple cup is empty and half the water is in the green cup and the other half is in the yellow cup. Remember, friends, if you spill any water, that's okay. You can just use a towel or a sponge to clean it up independently. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Thanks for learning with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and find me on OutSchool for my live and interactive classes. You can also support my channel by checking out my Patreon page and gain access to bonus features for your child. It's time to sing one last song together, so let's wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, friends, and I'll see you tomorrow.